There's another way of presenting 3D data in a 2D format. In this case, we're using both top-down and side views of the volume information in something called an orthogonal viewer. Let's continue with the kidney 3D data.tiff image. And in this case, we're going to use the orthogonal viewer. So again, we can use image, stacks, and in this case, we're going to use orthogonal views, which is Control-Shift-H. This, in addition to our normal Z-stack viewer, gives us these side panels. So you can see the panel on the right is giving us a YZ projection of the data, and the panel at the bottom is giving us an XZ projection of the data. The little crosshairs allow us to move around within the data and inspect what we think, or the regions that we think might be of interest. We can also scroll through in Z. Once you're happy that you've found a position that you want to present, you can go ahead and save the individual panels. So let's take this one, for example. Click Save as TIFF. And when the data is finally saved, it doesn't have these yellow lines on it, so you just see the side panel views. So again, a very useful way of presenting 3D data. This normally works very nicely if the 3D data that's being presented is more kind of cubic in shape, rather than these kind of thinner Z stacks that we're presenting here.